Chords with David Aldridge.
Today, you'll be learning Can You Feel the Love Tonight from, can you guess? Yes, The Lion King. There's just a few symbols that are really going to help you along the way. So when you see these arrows, these tell you to dance strum towards the floor. Now you can either use a guitar pick or you can use your hand, and both are fine. When you see these symbols, we call these chord boxes. Now, maybe you've played chords before, and if not, I have the perfect tutorial on how to play guitar chords in the description. So you may want to go and watch that first and then jump back to this video. Also, you're going to hear a second guitar, and that is going to be the melody. Because we're learning the chords today, that is going to really help you to hear the tune while strumming the chords. Sometimes when we play chords, it's to back a singer or to accompany or to fill out. And sometimes we can't hear the tune, so that's just there to help you along the way. Now, with that being said, come and join me, David, and let's go and have some fun. If this video is helping you right now, consider subscribing to the channel and be the first notified when I post new videos just like this one. If you are like me and you love learning new skills, learning fun songs and new stuff on the guitar, I have two new books, Guitar Star in 30 Days and Let's Learn Guitar Together. And you can purchase these books on Amazon using the link in the description right now. I'm David Aldridge, and it's been an absolute pleasure teaching you today. And if you love this video, please go and check out the playlist in the description where you can find more videos just like this one. And I look forward to seeing you there.